We can also have some manual formatting. Here we will see this rjust2 and rjust3, and it's basically the same thing as here. Instead of using this format function and using this this syntax, we use the rjust functionality of representation. So each representation has, or string has, this kind of functionality in it. And you can add, okay, I want 2 placeholders, 3 character placeholders, and 4 character placeholders. And we can just do like this, and here we can say, okay, dark, and this, we give it some space, and here can say we do the same like we have done before, and we do 5, and we have 1 here as well. So here it's important to end it with just a space, because the normal ending of the print function is like a new line, and this will just deteriorate. Since we are inside of a loop here, it's better to just have 1 space and add whatever you want. Zfill, it's really nice. It will fill your function with zeros on the left, whatever number of zeros. It also works for negative numbers. It will fill them with zeros from the left side. And just keep in mind that zfill, it will fill 7 characters placeholders. Here we have 3 and 4, including the comma and including the sign. So it has to do with the number of characters. Those functions have to do with the number of characters. Zfill 5, it will just print the same number, because you have the length of this string is bigger than the value in zfill.